Money Academy.
Hey, welcome guys to this brand new CPA marketing tutorial. What if you can make $30 plus over and over again, applying a quick and simple trick, spending only a couple of minutes per day? Don't worry if you're a complete beginner. I'll show you everything step by step in this video. So if you're excited about that, then hit the like button now. I want to see 500 likes to this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, and with subscribe you also want to set the notification bell to all. If you do that, then you will get notified when I'll upload a new video, with a new trick to make money online. Now without wasting any more seconds, first of all you want to head over to the CPA Grip website, and if you don't have an account, then you want to click here register. Now here you want to fill up this sign up form. You want to type your first name here, then you want to type your last name, and then you will type your street address here, and after that you'll type your city name here, then your state, your zip code or postal code, then you want to put your phone number here, and then you want to put your Skype ID here. Now if you don't have a Skype ID, then just simply go to skype.com, and create a free account here, or just download the Skype app to your phone, and you can easily create an account just by putting your phone number, and once you have a Skype account, then you just want to put your Skype ID here. And after that, here you want to choose a publisher type, and publisher type you want to choose website in sent. Then put your email and set a strong password. Then you want to choose your time zone. If you don't know what is your time zone, then you want to come to Google, and you want to search my time zone, and from here you can easily know what is your time zone, and then you want to choose it here, and then you want to check mark here and you want to hit this register now button. And once you guys create your account, then you will log into your account, and you want to click here offer tools, then you want to go to my offers. Now, before we pick an offer, let's first find out the highest payout CPA offers from here, and for that, you want to click here country, and you want to choose all countries, then it will take a few seconds to load all CPA offers, and as you can see now we're getting all the different CPA offers for all the different countries. And now to find out the highest payout CPA offers, you want to click here payout twice, and check this out guys, we're now getting all the different highest payout CPA offers. Now you can pick any offers from here, and you can promote them to their targeted country, and the traffic strategy that I'm gonna be showing you, you can pick any country's CPA offer to promote, you can pick gift card offers, you can pick PayPal offers. Let's pick this iPhone offer for instance, and if I open this offer, then here you can see in which country this offer allows us to promote. Now you want to note this country's name, you want to keep in your mind this country's name, and then you want to grab your CPA link by clicking this button. And now the next step you want to come to this website called System A. If you click the link in the description, then you'll directly come to this website. Now the reason why you want to come to this website, cause we want to make a landing page for our CPA offer. I'd always suggest making a landing page before you start promoting any CPA offers. If you have a landing page then you'll be safe from getting banned from the CPA network. So once you come to this website, then you want to simply enter your email address here, and you want to click this get started for free button. And the reason why I love this website, is because this website service is free forever, and you don't need any credit card to create a free account. If you go to their pricing page, then here you can see what you can do with their free plan. If your target is to become a full-time affiliate marketer, and if you want to take online business as your full-time job, then this free service you can use as a beginner. As you can see you can store a 2,000 contacts list on your account, you can send unlimited emails, you can make up to 3 sales funnels, and many other things you can do for completely free. Okay, so once you guys sign into your account, now we want to make the landing page, and for that, you want to click here funnels. And then here you want to click this button create. Now here you have to type a name of this funnel, so we could type something like CPA iPhone landing page, and then you want to click this first one build an audience, then click this button create. Now here as you can see they already have some templates done for you, and you can use these templates for your online business, but for our CPA landing page we want to make it from scratch, and to do that, you want to go all the way to the bottom, and here as you can see a blank template, and once you find it then you'll click this button select. And from there you'll come to this page, and here you want to change this text to the CPA offer text, and you also want to change this URL path to the CPA offer text just like this. And then on the right side you'll click this save button to save our changes. Then if you click this button then you can preview your landing page, and then with this button we can edit the landing page, and we want to do that. So click this edit page button, and from there it'll take you to this page, and here as you can see drag and drop your first element here, and we want to drop the headline text as our first element, and we want to change this text to win iPhone 13 for free. Then in the left side we want to change this font size to 50. Now the next element we want to add an image, so you want to click on it, and you want to drag and drop it right here, and then you have to click on top of it, and on the left side you'll see here image file, and you want to click this upload icon, and here you want to upload an iPhone 13 image. You can easily grab an image from Google, and here you can click this select file button, or you can drag and drop the image just like this, and then you have to go to your images, and here you'll select the image, and you'll click this button insert. Now here as you can see we have some extra gaps from this heading to this image, so we can fix this. You want to click this settings icon, then on the left side you want to find out this padding section, and under padding section you want to reduce this bottom padding to 0. Then for the image, you want to do the same thing, click this settings icon, and this time we want to reduce the top and bottom padding to 0. And check this out, the headline and image are now closer than before. Okay, so now the last one more element we want to add is a button. You want to find out this button element, and you want to drag and drop it right to the bottom of the image. And on this button we want to set our CPA link. So first of all you want to click on it, then on the left side you'll see action when button clicked, and you want to set it to open URL, then here you'll paste your CPA link. Then you want to go to a little bit bottom, and you want to delete this subtext. Okay, so now our landing page is completed. You can add some more elements if you want, but keep your landing page as simple as possible. Now one last setting we want to do. You want to click here settings, and then go a little bit bottom, and you want to find out the search engine optimization section, and here you'll change this title text to the CPA offer text, and that's it. So once you complete making this simple landing page, then you want to save it by clicking this Save Changes button. Then you want to exit from here by clicking this button. Okay, so now if we click this View button, then we can see the real preview of our landing page. So when someone clicks this button then they will be redirected to the CPA offer. Now what you want to do, you want to copy the link of your landing page, or you can copy the link from here by clicking this icon. And now the next step you want to come to twitter.com. Now don't worry guys, we're not gonna replying any people with our CPA link, or we're not gonna simply making any tweet with our CPA link. We're gonna be doing here something else, so pay serious attention from now. First of all, if you don't have a Twitter account, then create an account quickly, and once you logged into your account, then you want to go to home. And here you will type a tweet just like this, and make sure you put your landing page link. You can make your link shorter by using bit.ly, and you want to add an image, and then you want to click this button tweet. And as you can see we just made a tweet, so now what you want to do, you want to click this share icon, and you want to click copy link to tweet. So what basically we're gonna be doing, we're gonna bring traffic to this tweet, only from this CPA offer allowed country, and we will do this completely free, with $0 of cost we will do this. Let me show you how. You want to come to this website called addmefast.com, or you'll find this website link in the description, and once you come to this website, first of all you want to click here register, then you want to register here by putting your email and a password, then checkmark here and you want to hit sign up. And once you finish this sign up process, then here you'll put your email and the password, and you want to log into your account. And once you guys logged into your account, then your dashboard will look like this. So what basically this website is. This website is a social media exchange platform. We can exchange here likes, shares, followers using these points. If you see at the left side, then as you can see we can do all of these social exchanges here. And we want to exchange here Twitter retweets. Retweets mean people will share our Twitter post to their profile. Let me show you how. If you click Twitter retweets then it'll take you to this page. And here as you can see you'll get 4 points for a retweet. If you click this button retweet then a Twitter post will be shared to your Twitter profile, and you'll earn 4 points for that. And we want to set here something like this. We will give people points to retweet our post to their profile. Let me explain how this is powerful. If one person shares your tweet to his profile, and if that person has 1,000 followers, that means you're reaching 1,000 people. Now if 100 people do this, then imagine how much traffic you'll get to your CPA offer, and that's why this is a powerful method. Okay, so now to set it, you want to click this button add, and from there it'll bring you to this page, and here we will set the exchange method. So at first the type you will choose is Twitter retweets, and here as you can see countries are worldwide selected. But we don't want to get traffic from worldwide, cause our CPA offer only allows us to promote in this country. So we want to target only this country, instead of getting traffic worldwide. So you want to uncheck this, and here as you can see select countries, and from this list we want to find out that country's name, and here is it. So once you find it then you want to checkmark here. And then in the next field we want to put our tweet ID, and we did copy the link of our tweet. So we want to paste the link here, and here as you can see a question mark, and you want to select from this question mark to the end, and you will delete these texts. Then you want to select from this / to all of these texts, and you want to delete this too, and this number is your tweet ID. Okay, so now in the next field we want to specify how many clicks we want in our tweet. Clicks mean how many retweets we want. Let's say we want 10 clicks. So you want to make this on, and here we want to put 10, and then daily clicks keep this off, and after that we have to set the CPC. CPC means how many points we will give per click. Here as you can see we can spend 5 to 50 points per click. So we're gonna put here 5, and once you finish this then you want to hit this Save Changes button, and then watch how your tweet is going viral. Now if you want to do this over and over again, then you have to have these points available in your account, and you can earn points by doing all of these social tasks. So hope you guys learned something tricky stuff in this video. If it is, then smash the like button, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and see you in my next video.